My name is Joanna Shelly and I'm a teacher at Aspen Park School. This year we chose the theme Bees as our classroom theme, and the students learned all about the different types of pollinators, bees included, that we have in the local area. One thing that we used was this book called Sunshine Pollen, The Life of Bees, and it's written by Monica Grunberg. It goes through the life of a bee from the bee's perspective, and it's been just an excellent resource for our class to use to learn about them.
Okay, so to do the roof, we're going to do this. The problem is when you try to hammer it, it's going to fall over, right? Now the roof, one piece is longer, one piece is smaller, so when it sits on here, the peak is centered. All right, go to work.
We're constructing mason bee hives. The students have been asked to come in from home. They've been split up into groups, so a lot of the online learners are here, and they're participating and connecting during this disconnected time.
So this is a mason bee hive. We had a few problems. The nails, they went out of the bore a few times. There's one still in there that went out, but my dad helped me get the other one out from the side. I think I'm gonna store it in my room.
And it was really fun making it and hammering it too. Next year, April and March, we'll get them out, and the mason bees will live